Hello sir, can I see your ticket please?
Here is my ticket.
Thank you sir. Please proceed for the security check.
What is wrong?
Please step to the side.
Certainly.
Do you have any coins in your pocket?
No. But I have some keys.
Ah. That is the problem. Put your keys in bin. And walk through the scanner again.
Okay.
Always remember to unload your pockets before you go through security next time.
I will do that. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
These are the few sentences which you can use at security checkpoints of different institutions like airport, shopping mall, hospitals, etc. Try to make your own sentences and keep practicing. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestion, please comment below.